Connect the RS-232 cable to the dashcam. Pick the IOIN wire and the 12V wire. Pick up the two wires of the door sensor. Connect IOIN and 12V to two wires, respectively. Click Setup. Click down to find the alarm bar and click IO input. Select the appropriate IO according to the connection. Enable on. Save settings. Click Manage. Then click Rules. Choose Alarm Rules. Click Alarm Linkage Rule. Add a new rule. Select the correct alarm type. Enter rule name. Open the Pictures and Videos section. Type in duration. Select the video channel. Save rule. Click the flag symbol below Operate. Assign rule to device. Remove the upper magnetic strip to simulate opening the car door. Click Alarm Information in the bottom left corner. Platform alarm is triggered. Click the record. Locate the storage server. Search. You can find videos here. Click the vehicle icon on the right and select the vehicle. Click the replay button below. Locate the storage server. Click OK. Click the file name to play. Click the blue arrow on the right to download it.